want to try to like scare people with the pops, like when they're walking in front of buildings and all that. You know, like strip balls and shit. Just do like an exhaust scare video. I don't know. Just think hassle of like editing that kind of a video with no software right now. That'd be fucking a disaster. Oh, dude, what did I just run over, bro? You guys saw that? Oh no. I just ran over fucking a cat or something. Oh my fucking god. Yo. No fucking way. I gotta take a look at this now. Don't fucking tell me my front splitter's broken because of that fucking cat or whatever that was. Oh my fuck. You can't make it up. You literally cannot make this shit up. Jesus Christ. What a fucking dickhead. What a fucking dickhead. What was that, dude? Oh my god. I hope my car's not covered in fucking nuts. I really hope right now. I really hope. Oh my fucking Lord Christ. Cannot make this shit up. Please tell me you guys saw whatever that was that darted in the front of the car. Last second. He literally wasn't even in the front. He darted out right underneath the tire. Oh my fucking god. We gotta pull over somewhere. Sorry, work. I'm a little late. It doesn't matter. I gotta figure this shit out. Fucking fathomable. Unreal. Can't fucking make this shit up, dude. So he came in the front first. Oh, thank God the splitter's not broken. But there's the fur from whatever the fuck it was. What the fuck was that, dude? What the fuck, dude? Oh my god, bro. Oh my fucking god. You literally can't make it up, bro. I'm glad the fucking car is okay, but now I want to know what the hell it was. Dude, he got fucking crushed, bro. Jesus Christ. Look at it. Oh, I think it was like an opossum or something. Oh my god. That's fucked. Well, I feel bad for him, but I mean, it is what it is. I think it was an opossum. I think it was an opossum. Those fucking splitters and diffusers give me so much anxiety, dude. Every time I'm driving or parking and shit, I get nervous that I'm gonna like fucking hit one of them against the curb. Oh my goodness. Well, I feel bad for whatever the hell it was I hit, because it felt like pretty solid. He's definitely sorry, little buddy. In other words, guys, now that that fiasco is all dealt with and over, I don't remember what I was talking about now. I think I was talking about the scare cam video. Pondering that idea. Oh my god, did you guys see the wing on that thing? Yeah, like I said, I want to do a video like that, but I don't really know. I think it'd be kind of a dick move to do that shit, honestly, but we'll just get scared when the car drives by with the blow up. So indirectly, they're going to get a little nervous and scared. Anybody will. It's okay to get nervous and scared. You don't expect it. That's a failure. Could have been bad. So yeah. What I'm going to do now is just kind of cruise for a little bit on the way to work. Ooh, YouTube autoplay just started playing some lo-fi music. Okay. Alright, I fuck with that. I fuck with that. There we go. Dude, I love ripping it through here at night, like when I get home in the morning at 4 or 5 or whatever. So loud. I won't do shit like that. He's gonna do the exact same thing. Nice blinker. On these rims and everything. I thought that guy was going to turn for a second. And I noticed that I think it's going to be easy for me to make like vlog videos and shit every other day or every day or whatever I decide to do, because of the fact that I usually talk to myself when I drive anyway. You know, whether it's just bitching about whatever someone's driving, or, you know, I'll be like, oh, that's kind of cool, you know, whatever you'll see along the way. So I think I might as well record it when I do it. I mean, I got the GoPro sitting at home. I might as well just bring it with me and, you know, put it in my locker room. It's just like, fuck it. Might as well. Even if you guys think it's a little obnoxious to listen to me talk about whatever the hell it is I'm talking about. Someone will watch it. Someone's gonna watch it, right? Fuck, I'll watch it. You don't think I won't? Yeah, this is an area where I definitely need the light bars. You'll see why in a minute. See that? No headlights? No headlights? It's better with the fucking no headlights on. Headlights. Because one of my headlights is out, and I have aftermarket headlights from Spec D, and the projectors are broken. So they're like, the headlight's pointing there. That's with high beams. You know, high beams are good, but if I have these, why not just use them, right? I mean, let's be real. Come on. You know, I got light bars on the front, I got light bars on the side, and I also have a light bar in the back. So it's like, if I ever need it, I'll just use them, you know? Usually I'm there till like 5, but if I get out at 3, it's like driving through here, sometimes those lights are not on. Sometimes, usually they are, but if they're not, I mean, I don't care, I have these, but still. It's fucking super eerie. I remember one time I was driving these back roads and I saw somebody fucking walking at like 3 at night, and it was like 20 degrees, 30 degrees out like it is now, you know, really cold. Just walking, I'm like, yo, that's fucking creepy. I really hope this car doesn't decide to stop working right now. Not for me, obviously for him. He would try it. It wouldn't be too good for him. But it's just like, dude, it's fucking weird how when you're in the dark, you feel like you're like, it's just like fucking just weird. It feels weird. I don't know. I'm not afraid of the dark. I mean, I fucking work in the dark. I live in the dark. It's just weird. Lights off. What do you want? You're on the fucking road. I can't see you. What do you want me to not see you and run you and your dogs over, or see you? No. Look the other way. Fucking guy's looking right at him. Oh, you're blinding me. Well, then stop looking at the lights. Common sense, you know. Like they tell you in fucking your driver's permit, but before you even get your license, if someone's driving towards you with bright headlights or high beams, you look to the right at the white line. Like, dude, look away. Oh, I'm gonna look right at them because they're there. So, and then I'm gonna cry about it because I looked at it. had these on, and it was literally like pitch black. There were power outages, no lights or nothing. And I said, and the cop pulls me over, followed me. He turned around after he drove away just to come back, just to fucking be a dickhead to me. He's like, you know, I could give you a ticket. He's like, I'm giving you a warning, but he's like, you can't drive with these on the road. I says to him, do you see what kind of fucking headlights I have? He's like, yeah. And he's like, you can kind of see. I says, I can kind of see. No, I says, I want to see. I says, I don't give a fuck what you say. I says, like, dude, I'm not gonna risk crashing my car and hurting myself or someone else or the car because I can't fucking see. I'm like, dude, there's nobody around. It's pitch black. It's a fucking for a specific reason. We're in the middle of a fucking emergency right now. I think it was like a tornado warning or some shit. And it was in the middle of the night, pitch black. It's like, dude, get the fuck out of here. As soon as, you know what I did too? He's getting all fucking like weirded out. I was like, you know, I'm gonna turn these on as soon as you walk away. He's like, oh yeah, well, you know, you can do whatever you want. And he's like, there's nothing I can do. He's like, I'm just telling you now. I was okay. You got all like nervous. It was fucking weird. And you know what I did? As soon as he pulled away, I turned him. I didn't even wait till he pulled away. I turned him on and then I just drove right off. I don't give a